Hi guys! Welcome to my channel again. This is Sweetness Charms. So ayan guys, may bisita ako kasi this is my pre-anniversary. So eto, may sakit ako niyan. So dinalaw ako nila. O diba, may pa flowers sila. Inopen ko yung flowers guys. Ayan ang itsura niya. Diba, ang ganda. So thanks for this. Grace, my best friend Arlene, and Elise. So, after that, guys, kinabukasan naman, pumunta kami sa mall, city center. Ayan. Gold Label Burger. Matikman nga yan, guys, kung anong lasa. And of course, shopping kasi nga, anniversary, guys. Maghahanap tayo ng susuotin. Ayan. Sakto. Sale ang Zara. Ayan, guys. I-reveal natin kung ano yung nabili ko. After that, guys, pumunta kami sa Pinocchio. Ayan. This is, ipapakita mo lang yung ayan, ticket, and then, pwede na yan, may entrance. At least 10 BD yung ticket mo. So, pwede ka na makapasok dyan at may pa-picture si Pinocchio.
Scan.
Okay. Pinocchio. Now the result.
Yeah. So, ayan, para mga bata lang ang peg namin, guys. Date kami sa mall. And then, after shopping, guys, ayan, pumunta na rin kami dun sa venue kung saan kami sa-celebrate ng anniversary namin. So, napag-isipan namin dito sa tapat lang siya ng mall, guys. Guys, ayan yung city center. So, first floor, katabi niyan. Ito yung gate. El Balcon. Ayan yung venue, guys. Nasa first floor. O, diba, ang ganda ng place. Maganda rin pati yung weather ngayon. So, all booked na, guys. And this is our anniversary. Ayan, pinagluto ko siya ng spategi. Ayan, guys. Filipino version. Nagustuhan niya. Oh, may pa-flower si Yorme. So, yan. Simple lang yan, guys. Tomorrow pa kasi ang celebration namin. Kasi ngayon is Thursday. So, eto na, guys. We're here sa venue. Oh, venue. Ayan. While waiting, guys, picture muna. Ayan na ang mga guests namin. Ayan, guys. Eto na ang aking nabili sa Zara na dress. Ayan. So, yan yung gift ni Habi. And ito yung mga guests naming iba. So, usually, ang mga in-invite ko lang talaga, guys, is mga couples lang. Para, alam mo, yung relate sila. Kung ano yung pinagse-celebrate namin. So, marami akong friends na hindi dumating. I mean, hindi ko in-invite. Kaya hindi dumating. Okay, kasi nga, mostly, yung couples, family lang ang invited. Ayan. So, enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Nga pala, guys, ito ay buffet. Lunchtime from 1:30 to 5 sa Patio Cafe restaurant datos, guys. Cafe restaurant. May shisha dyan sila. And then, meron silang breakfast buffet din. Meron din silang dinner buffet. So, ano siya, guys? Eat all you can. Ayan guys, sa labas, unlimited picture. Pauwi na kami niyan guys. Tapos na ang party. Walang party actually, kainan lang. And then, konting kwentuhan. Ganun lang. And, ang ganda ng weather guys. Perfect na perfect. So, eto nga guys, punong-puno ang aming mga kamay sa mga gifts nila. Ayan, at sa, ayan, ang ganda ng mga pa-flowers, pa-vase, with vase, pa-bouquet nila. So, ayan guys, ang celebration namin. Napaka-simple lang. And, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sweetness Charm guys. And ito na guys, unboxing ng mga gifts nila. Thank you for the couple, sweet couple Ann and Jason. Andahan, ayan, galing sa kanya. And kay Donya Arlene, Donya Rhea, and family. Ayan, kay Ate Alice and Kuya Abud from Corney. And from Charm Kyog family. And also from Safa and Akram family, couple. And of course, from Scott family. And, ayan, from hubby. Yan yung gift niya sa akin, na dress and slipper. And this is it guys. O, diba? Ayan yung mga gifts nila. Appreciate ko talaga guys yung cards. Yung may cards and dyan flowers lang yan. This is from my hubby also. Ayan guys, elephant. Ceramic with the plants. And this is a chocolate guys. O diba, bonggang dami. And
Ina, happy anniversary!
sing.
We wish that was Christmas, we wish that was the happy, it was the possible, the pretty, but the wish that was the happy way was.
Thank you, baby Shiloh. Yan yung inaanak ko. Napaka-sweet. And also, pagkagising sa umaga, may breakfast gawa ni Harvey. And, eto guys, pumunta kami sa Tree of Life. Kinabukasan. Since Saturday naman guys, weekends, ayan, may pa-ice cream ang Tree of Life truck dyan. At saka marami na rin silang mga, ano dyan guys, mga truck na mga food. Actually guys, kung pupunta kayo ng Bahrain, ito yung sikat sa Bahrain na Tree of Life na 400 years old na siya. So sabi nila, pag pupunta ka dyan, pwede ka mag-wish. Ayan, parang katotoo yung wish mo. O, diba? Tree of Life. Kasi imagine mo guys, sa gitna ng disyerto, nabuhay yung tree na yan. Ayan. So, matagal na siyang tree. Ilang years na? 400, more than 400 na ata yung tree na yan. Ayan. Tree of Life of Bahrain. And guys, eto. So, enjoy. And thank you guys ulit sa panonood nyo.
आम जिंदगी आम मौसम्बी मूज पाइनएप्पल
After Tree of Life, guys, dinner sa Shadow Restaurant. Ito yung Thai restaurant sa Hala Plaza. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!